This is me cutting the lace on this Emma Hairpiece wig, human hair wig. So the first thing you want to do is use these large clips and get the hair out of the way so that you don't cut the hair. So you can see that my hairline is isolated there. So I'm just going to I just used hair trimming scissors, and this lace was easy to cut. The scissors just kind of glide right through the lace, so I didn't really even have to cut that much. But you just follow the hairline there. Of course, you can customize your hairline if you want to, if you have a widow's peak or something like that. But you can always cut more off if you have an area where you leave a little extra lace. But I just follow right along the hairline. It's not hard. Now I left a couple pieces there on the ear tabs, so I'm going to show you how I fix those. To cut those, I turn the wig inside out, keep it on the mannequin head again. So this one was easy to trim because there wasn't a lot of hair on this side. It was easy to just trim off without doing anything with the hair, clipping it back or anything, but I'll show you what I had to do on the other side. It's no big deal if you clip a hair or two. That's not going to make any difference to your wig. It's just a few hairs. It's, don't freak out about it. So this one, I felt like there was enough hair that I wanted to go ahead and clip the hair just so I didn't, accidentally cut a chunk of hair out. So I'm going to put a clamp on here, keep that hair all tight together so it's out of my way, and then I'll just clip off this little piece of lace. And it really is this easy. It is not that hard to cut lace. Don't be intimidated by it. So here is the finished result.